Slowly take off the buffer strip. Use a pry bar to pry open the side triangle panel. You can first pry open one corner, then slowly move along the gap. Remove the expansion screw buckle here. Little pull the sealing plate. Not to use big force, take it slowly to prevent damage. Insert the needle into the original connector. Then remove the plastic pad inside if there is. Plug in our big male plug into the female plug of the original port. Disconnect the original power plug. Connect the original male to our female port. And our male plug into original female. Then at last connect our controller. Use our tape to fix the controller so that it does not wobble. Then you can put everything back. Remember to insert the expansion screw. Cover the panel. Recover the strip, and it is finished.